So you found the home of your dreams, you negotiated, and congratulations, you are now a new homeowner to be. Hi, my name is Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty Team, and I help families navigate through life's changes, providing information and interpretation of that information so that they can make the best and informed decisions for themselves and their families. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 7 things you need to ensure that you do not do once you have purchased a home and are awaiting for closing and the forwarding of the funds. The banks have approved you for the funds and for a particular home based on the information that you have provided them at the time of that application. Now, if you change anything on that application prior to the funds being forwarded, you may not get the mortgage that you are looking for. Number 1. Ensure that you do not apply for new credit. So one of the things that we sometimes do when we purchase a new home is we get all excited. Well, that's all great. But then we start saying, well, I'm going to buy new furniture, new couches, new appliances, new things for the home, and I'm just going to put that on credit and pay it down the road. That is something that you should not do, because once you apply for new credit, that affects your ratios for your mortgage application approval. So ensure, number 1, that you do not apply for new credit. Tip number 2 is do not pay off any debt that you may have. So you may think, well, now I'm getting this new home, I've got some debt to pay off, I'm going to pay that off. But wait, did the bank consider that the funds that you had in your account as part of your package? If you take those funds to pay off debt, it may affect, once again, your qualification. So keep those cash reserves that are there that were used for your qualification process. Number 3, don't co-sign for anybody's loans. Once you co-sign and try to help somebody else with their loan, that becomes part of your incurred debt load, and it could affect your ability to qualify for that mortgage. Number 4, as you continue to move through the process, your lender may require you to provide certain information. Make sure that you do that in a very timely way. Your lender is submitting that application and they may ask for additional information, and they are on a tight timeline. So make sure that anytime that your lender reaches out to you, that you take those calls, and most definitely that you respond with any information that is requested. Tip number 5 is don't fall behind on any of your payments. If you fall behind on your payments, that's going to affect your credit score, and it could potentially affect the forwarding of your funds for your home purchase. Tip number 6, ensure that you know and have receipts for all of the deposits made to your account, especially if they're large lump sum deposits. The bank is going to want to know, where did those funds come from? So ensure that you've got receipts for funds that are coming into your account, especially if they are large funds. Tip number 7 is don't change your job. During the process, you need to keep your employment as is so that you are still proceeding with the package that you submitted at the time of your approval. So hopefully those 7 tips will help you ensure that your funds are forwarded on the day of closing. Congratulations on your new home, And if you have any questions about real estate in general, or you have any friends or family members that you think might benefit from this video, please feel free to share. I'm curious, have you ever made any of these faux pas prior to you getting your funds for your home? And did it affect your ability to get those funds forwarded? Comment below and let's share and learn from one another. If you found this video informative, please like on the button below, share, and that way we'll ensure that we can get more great video content out to you about the buying and selling process of real estate. Thanks so much for the privilege of your time, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video.